Welcome to Super Speed Legends, your go-to channel for everything automotive, from cutting-edge reviews to detailed breakdowns of the most legendary and latest vehicles on the road. Today we're diving into a fan favorite that blends rugged off-road capabilities with cozy home on wheels vibes. This is all about the 2025 Mitsubishi Delica camper van, a vehicle that continues to impress adventure seekers, road trippers, and van life enthusiasts with its practical design and surprisingly refined features. The 2025 Mitsubishi Delica camper van builds upon its heritage as a reliable and versatile multi-purpose vehicle. Known for decades as a durable off-roader that doesn't shy away from the rough stuff, the latest Delica keeps that tradition alive while adding modern creature comforts that today's travelers expect. The design updates are subtle but effective. The front fascia features a more contemporary grille and integrated LED headlights that give it a modern, slightly aggressive look without losing the boxy charm that defines the Delica's character. The rugged body lines, high ground clearance, and all-terrain ready tires make it clear that this is a vehicle meant for both urban roads and wild trails. Under the hood, the 2025 Delica is powered by a fuel-efficient turbocharged diesel engine that strikes a balance between power and economy. The engine produces enough torque to handle steep inclines and unpaved surfaces while still delivering reasonable fuel mileage for long-distance journeys. Mitsubishi's Super Select 4WD system allows the driver to shift between different driving modes, including two-wheel drive for better fuel economy and full-time four-wheel drive for more challenging terrain. This system is a major asset for those planning to explore remote destinations or tackle unpredictable weather conditions. Inside, the camper conversion takes practicality to a whole new level. Space utilization is smart, with foldable seating arrangements that transform into a sleeping area large enough for two adults. The interior includes modular storage compartments, a compact kitchenette with a sink and a single burner stove, and a small refrigerator. There's also a pop-up roof option available in some trims, which adds vertical space and makes the interior feel much more open and breathable. LED interior lighting, USB charging ports, and climate control systems make the cabin feel less like a van and more like a mobile studio apartment. It is especially appealing for solo travelers or couples who want to maintain flexibility and independence on the road. Tech-wise, Mitsubishi has equipped the Delica with a functional and intuitive infotainment system featuring a touchscreen display, smartphone connectivity through Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and Bluetooth capabilities. Safety features are also well thought out. Standard equipment includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These features not only make highway driving more comfortable but also enhance safety in unfamiliar or tricky environments. Another aspect worth noting is the build quality. Mitsubishi has a reputation for durability, and the 2025 Delica reflects this in every panel and seam. The suspension system is tuned to absorb shocks from uneven roads while maintaining good body control, and the brakes are responsive even when the van is fully loaded. Whether you are navigating winding mountain paths or parking in tight city spots, the Delica feels confident and composed. Customization is a big part of the Delica's appeal. Buyers can choose from several trim levels and camper configurations depending on their needs and budget. Some versions come fully equipped with solar panels, roof racks, rear ladders, and upgraded battery systems for off-grid camping. Others offer more basic packages aimed at DIY van lifers who want a blank canvas to build their dream setup. In short, the 2025 Mitsubishi Delica camper van is a brilliant blend of reliability, functionality, and adventurous spirit. It is not just a means of transport, it's a lifestyle choice for those who value exploration without sacrificing comfort. Whether you're new to van life or a seasoned traveler looking to upgrade, the Delica should be high on your list. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more reviews, features, and road tests here on Super Speed Legends.